My name is Christopher Randy Walcott, and I'm from beautiful island of Trinidad and Tobago. I attend the University of Southern Caribbean, where currently I'm pursuing a Bachelor of Science degree in Computing and also a Associate degree in General Business. Being the youth member of Parliament for my constituency and also a social entrepreneur, I see a lot of social issues that create social problems and need social change. Therefore, to attack these social problems, I've become a voluntary activist. My community work includes aiding the poor, aiding the elderly, Sunshine Ministries. These include visiting homeless shelters and giving the children lots of rays of love and joy. My most beneficial aspect of being a volunteer is seeing a smile on children's faces, and this gives me true satisfaction. Contrary, my most difficult aspect of being a volunteer is obtaining funding for my community projects. However, I belong to an organization called Pathfinders, a group of young people which help me in my community work. I'm a voluntary activist because I'm a servant of God and a friend to man. These, my brothers and sisters, are faced with issues. Therefore, because I'm blessed by God, I feel inspired to bless others. I'm a peer counselor, and I've observed that when people's needs are being met, it helps reduce crime, violence, injustice, discrimination, and pollution. And without these social issues, we develop a safer and healthier community. I'm a member of MAD, M-A-D, Making a Difference, and I've also participated in the Commonwealth Youth Forum, CYF 2009, and we discuss social issues that affect us in our environment. My motive for participating in the Latin American Summit is the same as my motive for participating in CYF 2009. That is to network with others, to communicate and develop ideas to battle these social issues we are facing in our communities. I believe if we invest in youth, we shall sustain the world.